We have 2 Fruit for Thought boxes. So if you want to see what we got last month and this month, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And we are opening our Fruit for Thought boxes. Actually, I'm going to open the one on the bottom first. Now, this was last month's, and we started filming it, and then she was insisting that we'd already gotten this box, and I'm like, I assure you we did not. And then I was kind of filming it, and she was just kind of in the background. I was like, all right, I'm going to scrap this video. We're going to refilm this at a better day. It just wasn't a good day for her. So Pam over at Fruit for Thought puts together some really cool themes, and she's ventured out of just fruits.
Ooh, this smells nice.
This is the March theme pie shop.
So we got the cake and pie divider.
And this is by Hutzler. So you cut a perfect slice, this right here, every time. It's got little notches to put the knife in. Ooh, that's really cute.
Lemon meringue tea bags. You can kind of smell.
This is a green tea.
I'll make that tonight.
And this is tea time with jelly bean.
Can I make that tonight, please?
Yeah.
Yay.
There are 6 tea bags in here.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
And this is to get your slice of cake or pie out. Look at how cute that is. So festive. That's great for you're having people over.
Speaking of baking, tomorrow I'm going to be because it's going to be a rainy day where we live, I'm going to be doing some, making some cupcakes. Do you think we should film that?
No, because we'll be out there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bummer. We'll take pictures of the results. Ooh, blueberry pie body wash.
I bet you that smells amazing.
It does, remember?
I don't. Because it was like, it wasn't even opened.
Yeah, it was.
Was it? Oh.
Look at how it, oh my god. It smells amazing. Oh my god, that smells like blueberry acacia. Doesn't it?
I don't know. It's just, it has a very nice.
Is it like acacia or is it acai?
Acai.
Acacia is better.
I remember because it's like, I'll see you later.
Oh, I thought the candle broke. But it didn't. It was just some crumbles. It's like a cherry sundae, a cherry pie candle.
With strawberries.
Oh, strawberry shortcake.
Let's see.
I still want to eat this.
No, you will not be eating that.
Yeah, I know. It doesn't stop me from thinking it though. Oh my god, that smells so good. I love that.
I'm looking for, so this is by Icescape Candle.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Oh yeah. It's coconut cream by shredded coconut and ganache chocolate bar.
By Hammond. Coconut cream pie.
A little bit of the stuff from the candle fell out.
That's alright, we can always put it back in.
There you go. Here we go. I want to smell it real quick. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Let's see. And a fruit bar, apple cinnamon. And that's it.
Alright, this is by Betty Lou's. It's an apple cinnamon fruit bar, like she said. Okay, so that was March. The April theme is what?
Okay. Except for the tea bags, because I'm going to use those in that.
And the candle.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just trying to make some room, you know?
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Down in there too. The theme for this one was cherry blossoms.
Ooh. Cherries are really good too.
And this is the April box.
I'm just kind of like a fruity person, you know?
I know you are. May's theme is farmer's market, and
Ooh,
June's theme is
old-fashioned soda fountain.
yes.
Oh
So
my
that
god, I
sounds
cannot wait for that.
amazing.
Oh my god, this is such a me box. I love cherries and I love fruits, and I just love a lot of fruits. And I really like flowers too, even if bees really scare me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this.
So this is by Vintage Cosmetics. It's a headband to put your hair back with cute little cherries, and it's very, very soft, like amazingly soft.
Look at this pen. What color is it? Red, black, or black?
Very black.
It would have been so amazing. That would be so cute if it was red, but it's still pretty cute. Look at that. It's a flower. It's a blossom.
It's a cherry blossom.
Ooh, is this a soap or is it? Oh, bark! Oh my, it's cherry blossom bark. Never seen that before. Have you?
No, I have not. This is Capital Candy Jar. Let's take a look at this. We might have to try this out.
Yeah. For scientific purposes, you know?
Yeah.
Can't let the viewers down.
Research.
Yeah.
So here is how it looks.
So cute.
You gotta see how pretty that is.
Oh my god, that's so adorable. What piece do you want?
I'm taking this little piece.
I'll take this piece.
Oh, that's tasty.
There's a really light cherry taste.
Oh, there's dried cherries in there. See, like I see one sticking out right there.
Ooh. I knew I
Sticking
should have took that piece.
out right there.
Oh, is there a little... Oh, that's not a dried cherry.
That's really good. Okay, what else we got?
Ooh, it's a bath bomb. Oh, smell.
Look at the other side of it first.
Oh my god, that's so beautiful.
This is Southern Fleek, and this is a company that sells on Etsy.
Oh my god.
Oh,
I found like these. Yeah, I just don't think I'd be able to take care of it. Because do you know how pretty these look on me?
Well, they don't look pretty on me.
I wish bummer. Such a bummer.
Maybe I have to get yours just.
Sometimes I do wish, but then I'm like, oh, but it'll hurt, and what if I get an infection?
You only have to like keep it cleaned like until it heals up.
Oh.
It's not like the rest of your life. You don't have to put rubbing alcohol in your ears for the rest of your life. Once they heal up, you're fine.
Oh, I think that's it.
And then,
Yeah.
all right.
If I ever do get my ears pierced, I'm taping those.
Okay. That's the deal. You'll probably take half my earrings.
Maybe. Depending on how cute they are.
All right. So those are our 2 Food for Thought boxes. And again, amazing job. Great items. Great theme. Next month is going to be Farmer's Market. And I've seen some spoilers online, just a couple on Instagram.
Don't tell.
I don't remember what they were. I just remember seeing a couple. And again, after that, we have old-fashioned soda fountain. And then I think the month after that might be luau, Hawaiian luau.
Cool.
So lots of great themes coming up. Check her out over at Food for Thought. And otherwise, that's all we have. So please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.